right up against shore. There's another one out just a little farther. Bob's gonna try and hand catch it. Uses a special technique. Right here. Right in front of me. Another hand technique by Bob. He's gonna let him go now. Good catch by Bob. 20 pounder.